Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your purchases with Kraken, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your purchases with Kraken, start by logging into your Kraken account. Navigate to the Funding tab located in the main menu. Select Withdraw from the drop-down options. Choose the asset you wish to verify. If you are verifying fiat purchases, select your currency. Next, click on Get Verified or Verification in the drop-down. Fill in the required personal information including your name, address, and date of birth. Upload an acceptable form of identification. This could be a government-issued ID or a passport. Ensure that your document is clear and legible. After uploading, you may need to provide a proof of residence. This can be a utility bill or bank statement with your name and address. Make sure the document is dated within the last 3 months. Once you've provided all necessary documents, submit your verification request. Kraken's verification team will review your application. You will receive notifications regarding the status of your verification. If additional information is required, follow the instructions provided. Once verified, you can proceed to purchase your desired asset. Check your account balance to confirm the successful purchase. If you encounter any issues, visit the Kraken support page for assistance. Maintain a record of your verification documents for future reference. Remember that the verification process can take some time, so be patient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.